friends, it's Victoria. Welcome in. This is going to be a quick video. I have an unboxing to do. So I got two bags from the Coach men's line, the outlet men's line. So it is the Andre Barrel bag. I got it in the size 24 and the size 30. So the size 24 is a green one, and then the size 30 I got in the black pebble leather. So I'm just going to show you the bags now. So to try to save some time, I took it out of the box. So let's start with the first one. This is the smaller one. I love the men's bag at Coach. So I own a few of the men's bag. I really think that we sleep on the men's bag a lot. The prices are better in terms of you know what you get. The quality is excellent. Oh, this is the green one. This is adorable. This is size 24. Oh, sorry. This is the green one. It's a pretty good size, and it has silver hardware. So this is the barrel bag. Andre Barrel bag. I think I'm just going to take all the stuff out of it. Only because, yeah, let's see. It does come with a shoulder strap and a crossbody strap. This webbing strap, which I don't love. I'm just going to tell you. I'm not a fan of this. Oops. The webbing strap. Oh, I did not bring my scissors. Oh, that's not very... Okay. Yeah. Nah. Well, I didn't need it. So yeah, it does have two straps, and I'm looking for the leather one because I'm definitely not gonna use this strap. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. This is the... Oh, this is adorable, friends. And silver hardware. Now, I was gonna, and I still may, I don't know. I was gonna get the, oh, this is cute. I was gonna get the Kislat Barrel bag, that one in the size 28. I wanna get that one. That is bigger than this, I can tell you. Obviously, because it's the 28. That bag is adorable. But I like this one too. This is the green one in the size 24. Oh, this bag is adorable. It's going to be my Saturday bags. It's going to be one of my little Saturday bags. It's so cute. So, so cute. Okay, so this one, let's just throw it up here for a second. All right, now I'm going to open the other one. Okay, now I have the Barrel Kislat in the black pebble leather, but I wanted this black pebble Andre Barrel bag because it has the oh, I like it already. It's got silver hardware. I did take down my barrel bag Kislat just to kind of hold them side by side. Obviously, the pebbled is different. Oh, sorry. The pebble is different, and that one's got gold hardware. Oh gosh, y'all, I should have brought my scissors if I did this correctly, but whatever. Okay, ooh, look at that. See? Oh, and the branding is so subtle. You can barely see it here. And again, I am somebody who do not mind branding at all. I don't care. For those people who care or that cares, yeah. So you should know that is super subtle and that you're not going to be able to see it. And yes, this comes with two straps, just like the green one. And that's the webbing strap. I'm not a big fan of the straps, this strap at all. Yeah, but, ugh, God, the stuffing. Ooh, this is so pretty though. I love it, friends. I do. Okay. Not a fan, but okay. This one is so fabulous. Look at that one. It's such a big size. I'm gonna dress this baby up for sure. So this is the Andre Barrow in the size 30. So this is the larger one. And I'm gonna just pull up my Kisslok Barrow, obviously just to show you. See, big difference. This one is so much larger. Obviously, I like this bag a lot, friends. I do. I like the fact that it's silver hardware. Cause you know, sometimes, although I mix my metals all the time. Let me see. So, oh, this is super soft. This pebble is soft. So I mix my metals, as y'all know, I do all the time. So I would throw a gold hardware on chain or whatever on this bag if the spirit moves me. So, oh yeah, this bag is so cute. Let's see. All right. It's nice. I like it. So I couldn't oh yeah, this is, y'all seen this one before. But yeah, I just pulled that one down just to kind of have it when I unbox this one. So this is the Andre Barrow bag, and this is the larger size. This is the size 30 and the size 24. So I'm gonna do a what fits video of these two bags. Not to really compare, but really to show what can fit in each one. Okay, but yeah, I like them both. I really do. And I can't decide whether I want to sit or stand. They're cute. What do you think? Yes? I love it. Ugh, that's it. So I have another bag that's coming soon, probably in a couple of days. I'll be doing another unbagging. I'll show you when it gets here. All right, friends, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. So please watch the video that's been suggested next. Thank you.